And this morning again, thanks to Nestia for opening the session and your support the whole week. Many, many thanks. And welcome to everybody of you, wherever you're placed around the world. We can speak literal to the world because you are spread it around the world. So let's see what we can do today. It's Friday, it's October, it's the 8th of this month. And yeah, we have a lot of things to do. It was a really busy week, and let's see what we can do today. First of all, we have a look at our upcoming events. But as you know, we stream this show live on YouTube. And if you watch it on YouTube right now, or maybe later on a recording, then you will find a button in the right corner. You can subscribe the channel. If you want, you can give us a like. I would appreciate it a lot if you give us a thumb up. If you want, you can leave a comment. And by the way, let me give you this hint. Below that video on YouTube, you will find a lot of links to all what is important from Admirals, information, accounts, whatever there is. Click on that link and you will find a lot of very, very interesting content. So good morning, Barry. Good morning, Wakar. Good morning, Darum. So, and by the way, I'm looking forward to see your comments on YouTube or here on Zoom. The chat is open and I can see what you were asking. Okay, so let's see. So here we go. There's the chat. Great. Wonderful. Here we go. And on Zoom, Uwe, good morning. Tina, Marie-Louise, Rudolph, good morning. Darshan, happy Friday. Yeah, happy Friday. So, Desmond. No, I'm not the legend. Okay, I'm just same guy like you. We are fighting at the same war and we are following the same goals. So I'm really happy to have you here. Remo, wonderful good morning. X73RM, hello. Yeah, that's not a real name, but thanks for being here, by the way. Kurt, wonderful good morning. Andreas also. So what do we expect today? Just only one big number today. This is the US employment report we expect today, and we could be really interesting what's coming up there. And let's see. I don't care about the number, you know, because people interpret the number and transfer it into their own trades. So in my opinion, if you are a day trader in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe hourly chart, then be cautious with this numbers this afternoon, 2:30 German time, by the way. So stay at the sideline, let the algorithm do their work, and if everything is coming to an end, then see if you can follow your rules again. Okay, so that's what we expect today. And if you want to have more information, then let me invite you to our webinar this afternoon. We have intraday trading the GBP. I'm not sure. Nestia, do you know who is holding this webinar? I don't know. It's Jens or Paul. Whoever. Both are really Niati, wonderful good morning here. Welcome back in the show. So let me invite you to this wonderful webinar. If you want to know how to trade the GBP, then in intraday, then join this session this afternoon. Okay, let's switch to our charts. And as we can see again and again, what I always used to tell you guys is a trend continuation is always more likely than a trend break. So, and as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trend arms. Did we expect this? No, of course not. But the only thing we could know before we start the trade is that a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. and that the price is going back to the point of control. Did it happen? Yeah, it did. Why is it? Because we have two fundamental basements in trading: price and volume, normal behavior. Or I used to say in my coachings, that's the natural law of trading. In the moment you recognize the logic behind of trading, then you become successful, because then you know, as a private trader, you have to follow the rules. Nastia, thanks. So webinar is holding this afternoon by Paul. And Paul, you know, Paul is from Manchester. I guess she's from Manchester. So she's a Britain guy. And I guess he's know what he has to do with the British pound, by the way. Okay, so what we can do in DAX 10 minutes today, to be honest, nothing. So first we expect unemployment rate this afternoon. This will have a lot of impact to the indices, by the way. And the trend is literally too old. Yeah, and actually we are within the red zone. So by the way, there is for the moment nothing to do. Let's go to our 4-hourly chart and to our focus trades. So let's start with a view at the Bitcoin. And here we go. There were the chances on the lower side. Bitcoin is going up to, what is it? Here we go, 55,668. And now we are a bit in correction. 1, 2, 3, it's the fourth trend arm. Now you have to wait. If you want to trade the fourth trend arm, which is absolutely possible, then you have to wait until we see a close 38, rule number 3, then a balance candle, and then you can go up in Bitcoin, for example. But not yet, the correction is too small. So your chances were deep lower in the second trend arm. You see it was working again. Okay, let's go to DAX 40 in 4-hourly chart. So you can transfer all the rules, you know, in hourly chart as well. But I have to trade in that time I can bear, I can afford, because in hourly chart, that's too fast for me, because I have a lot of coachings through the rest of the day. So, and I have to follow my own law of probability, by the way. So what do we have here in DAX 4-hourly chart? So first of all, this is an old downtrend. I need my paint drawing program. Here we go. So this is the old trend. Check it out. Move, correction, move, correction, move, correction. So you see, trend is literally too old. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are in a fifth trend arm. So the price is definitely too old. And there was a secondary trend. This was this one, move, correction, move. So you see, there was your chance to speculate on a trend continuation. That's really cool. And we have 2 more trend arms, but now it's over. Time is over and the chance is over. So if you were not part of this trade, then I have 2 questions for you. Why do you have it on your list? And why did you miss the entry? Then maybe it's not the market you can trade with your account size. Or the second one, it's not your time frame. Because you know, the job of any trader is not to miss the entry, because otherwise your success is based on coincidence, and this is not possible on the long run. It's wasting of lifetime, guys. So crude oil in 4-hourly chart, it's just going up here. Also very interesting, you know, very interesting. So move, correction, move, correction. First entry there, you look. So next entry there, correction, and you see almost a wonderful trend continuation again and again and again. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a big question, guys. why do so many people, why are so many people, now why are, what's the right grammar? Let's do it. I'm a smart guy. Less people are a part of such a big trend. Got it, right? Really less traders are a part of this trade or trend. Why is it? That's human behavior, guys. We are living in the right side of the chart. Afraid of the drawdown. Yeah, of course. Yeah. For example, we are living the right side. So if we check the chart from right to left, then it looks everything so easy. Yeah, there was the entry. Look, it was so beautiful trend. Yeah, that's really easy if you look in the history in the back, right? But where do we living? Unfortunately, yeah, that's the stupid thing, right? We are living on the right side of the chart. And there you can never know what happens next. Oh my gosh, that's the big trouble, you know? So therefore, what's the human behavior? Yeah, we have an opinion. We are influenced about any kind of information around of us. And we used to judge every situation. This is what you do in your normal life too, in your job, in your family. You see, you have input about your body senses, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your taste, then your mind, and everything what you see, what you hear, what you smell, whatever is what is there, you judge it. It's normal behavior. So, and then you have an opinion. Oh, it tastes good. I don't like it. Yeah. Oh, I see this. I like it. Oh, no, I don't like it. So you have an opinion. This is what takes place in your mind all the time, every second of your life. And this is what we are doing on the right side of the chart. We judging, we interpreting instead of trusting the system and following the plan. We are driven by emotions. So how you can effort this situation? Yeah, by logic. Just only logic. Because logic replaces emotions. And this is what I teach in my coachings and what I want to teach you here a bit. So this is the first step to work with logic is to work with rules. Because, you know, if you have no guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. If you have no guarantee, you need a strategy. Let's repeat, because this is what you have to burn into your mind. If you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. If you have no guarantee, you need a strategy. And a strategy can never have 100% success quote. Otherwise, it would be a guarantee. That's the proof. So a strategy is always based on probability, which means you can never know if your success on the right side, if your signal, your signal occurs the right side, if it will be a winner or not. Even you don't know if it's a big winner or not. It's based on an accident, yeah? But that's the logic. If you don't push the button, you will never know. Yeah, you look in the back and, damn it, there was a big signal. I missed it. Why? Why did you miss it? Yeah, we have emotions, we judge the trend, we have information, lots of stuff around of us. So you see, it's a big thing to learn trading. Yeah, and this is what I want to teach you. Logic, pure logic. Okay. So that's why we need rules. I understand now because I could never trade this trend without rules. Exactly. But rules, Marie-Louise, is just one. Be happy that you booked me as your coach, because we dive really, really deep. And afterwards, you will have a big understanding how you can become successful in the long run. I promise you, we will have a lot of fun together. Okay, so next one, the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones broke the small downtrend, but not the big one, because the big one is this one. Move, correction, move. So here we go. And here we go. And by the way, guys, there is no trend continuation there, which means the trend will break there. There will break the trend. There will break the trend. So there was a small trend. This one, move, correction, move. So here we had the trend break of this, but not the big one, not the big one. So now we are circling around the point of control again. Here is a big zone also. So maybe we expect the unemployment rates this afternoon. This could have a bit of impact. So let's see. In the red trend, it's the third trend on. Yeah, that could be really interesting. And you know, I have a trade open in daily chart. Completely cool. Okay, so then let's take gold price. You can see what we can do there. Yeah, it's interesting because we have a trend there. Follow the rules. So move, correction, move, correction, balance candle, entry there, target point of control. So if you trade 4-hourly chart, don't miss the entry. Then we have Euro USD. It's still going down. Just let it go. Again, come on, let's do it, right? I wanna kid you a little bit. So you see 1, 2, or 3. Oh my gosh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, 8 trend arms. Where are you? If you trade 4-hourly chart, where are you? I guess not a part of this big trend. So where were you? Yeah, I know. I never thought that the price is going so deep down. I never thought that. Yeah, I couldn't imagine that. Yeah, I know. It's one of our big problems in trading. Yeah, we cannot imagine that. By the way, guys, this is the same problem what we have with Corona and COVID-19. Why we have so much trouble around the world. People, or this generation of living beings right now, could never imagine that such things can happen. We have the Spanish influenza. Yeah, same procedure. But today it spreads worldwide. No one could imagine that happens such a big thing. And if you can imagine, then you have no experience by that. And your mind is kind of grabbing into the empty part, into the empty hole. So normally you can manage your life because your mind, your consciousness is always going back in the history, and there are experiences. So therefore you don't have to think about how to drive a car. If you drive your car for years, then you don't have to think about it. Yeah, everything is happen automatically. Why is it? Conscious, subconsciousness. Conscious grabs into subconsciousness and it works automatically. Routine. We talk about routine. But the moment you have a situation you never experienced before, it's empty space. It's literally empty space. If you cannot imagine something, then your consciousness grabs literally into a empty space. There is nothing to build on experience. So therefore, we trade on emotions. And we cannot imagine. And therefore, we are not a part of it. And as long as you act in this way, guys, you will never be a part of such a trend. Never, 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 never. This is why you have to change your mindset for trading, why you have to progress forward as a human being. If you say to yourself, no, my ego is really cool. I'm the good guy. I know everything about the trading. It's fine. Cool. Do it. Oh, by the way, but don't expect that you become successful in the long run. Of course not. This is a promise. That's a guarantee. But the moment if you're willing to change and to progress forward, then you have a chance to become successful in trading. Yeah. 8, this is when the Chinese step in. 8 is their main number. Okay, I guess that's more a rumor than everything else. Yeah. So I can promise this, by the way. I can show you. Look, let's see Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD. I want to show you something. Where is it? So, oh, that's the order book. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, there is not. Oh, there is no column where you can type in. Oh, that's the Chinese number 8. Darshan, you understand each other, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So your opinion has no basement. There is no proof, because that's the order book. You know, oh, there is no number where you can type in what's about the reason why Euro USD is going so deep. But there is interesting logic. You know, what you can see there. Oh yeah, that's the price. Oh yeah, look, left and right, buy and sell. Oh, there are numbers. 800, 1,200, 5,000, 800. Ah, that's numbers. What is it? Yeah, volume. That's the numbers. Volume. Do you know who is buying 3,500? Do you know that? That's a Chinese guy? Or maybe me? Or maybe it's Marie-Louise? Oh no, maybe it's Ian. Ah, damn it. We cannot see it. Yeah, we cannot see it. That's the stupid thing, right? Yeah. Yeah, Nastia, please accept I need a little bit more, because people have to learn something. Okay, but now before, yeah, let's go. Before we jump into our running trades. No, I'm not the Chinese one. I'm Bavarian style, deep German Bavarian style. Okay, so a British pound US dollar. Yeah, it's just a trend, but not really a trend continuation, by the way. Okay, so there is the poll of today. Did you reach your own goals this week? This is my question for today. You know, we end this session, we end this week Friday, and as always with the question, did you reach your own goals this week? What I asked you on Monday, by the way. Yeah. Yes, I did. Finally. Oh no. Oh, I did not. Or maybe, oh, I had no goals this week. So while you take your time for this stuff, let's go to the running trades. It's Australian dollar, US dollar. So we made a re-entry. I sold half the position yesterday. I trailed my stop loss into profit. Everything is fine. Just a good thing. In daily chart, we have British index. Actually, we are a bit in loss, but the trend is still valid. Then I have an open trade in Dow Jones, also actually in loss, but the trend is still valid. Stop loss is above the last 0.3. Actually, everything is fine for the moment. Then I have an open trade in DAX daily chart, by the way. Here we go also. There was no trend continuation in the second trend arm. This is the trend arm. So here we go. You see no trend continuation. Price was there, but finally it must happen a trend continuation by a close below last 0.2. So just wait for it. And yeah, that's the open trades actually. And yeah, that was the point. That's my open trades. Sorry, I missed why you are in loss on the Dow. Or you're short? Of course I'm short, because you know why? Where the question is confusing me right now, because there is a trend. So that's the trend in Dow. Move. Correction. Then second trend arm. Second correction. First possibility to go short. There was the balance candle. Therefore signal. And now we are speculating finally on a trend continuation. By the way, point of control is far away. So actually price is going up for the moment, but I don't care. My stop loss is above, and I'm just waiting that we see a trend continuation. That's all. That's why I'm short, because of my rules in daily chart. So there is nothing to do for the moment. Okay, so my proposal for you is still US dollar Japanese yen. We are close to continue the trend. So why is it? That's the trend. Move. Correction. And move. Then there was the correction, you see. There was the balance candle. And now we are speculating on a trend continuation, just with the close above the last 0.2. Let's see if it will happen. Let's see, just the probabilities on our side. And also, I introduced you in a share. This is still host, hotels, and resort. So why is it? That's the trend. Move. Correction. Then the move. Now the trend is valid. Then there is the correction. So there was the balance candle here. Therefore, I set a pending order. I'm not in right now. Now I can see the correction extends to 0.3, but no trend break. But yesterday we had another balance candle, yeah, which means I can trail my entry a bit lower if the market will open, or if the market opens this afternoon. Yeah, then I have a little bit more space to go up to the 0.2. This is the next proposal, or the proposal for you in this share. So how can I get the volume indicator? Yeah, the best, go on my homepage, please, dowhow-trading.com. There you can send me a notification, then I will send you the link. Yeah, this is a HST. Yes, HST. This is host, hotels, and resort. So guys, my question for you today was, and thanks Nastia for opening the poll, did you reach your own goals this week? We had 56%, which is the winner. What do you think? No, I did not. Okay, that's not the problem, by the way. But the question is, why? Where was your problem? Where you're not able to stick to the rules? Where you're not able to follow the plan? There must be a reason. There's always a reason. Always. Cause and effect. Always a reason. Please open your handwritten diary at the weekend. Take your time. Calm day. Go outside. Take a walk. Away from any people. Just you and your thoughts. Why is it that you were not able to reach your own goals. It's not a part of the system because trend is working, price is working. It's always the problem in front of the screens, and that's you and me. So why is it? If you find the reason, send me a message on Traders Yard or WhatsApp or on my homepage or whatever it is. I will take it for the next webinars to teach you a little bit more how you can cope this challenge. Let me say thank you for this wonderful week. Thanks, Nastia, for supporting me this week also. I wish all of you a wonderful weekend. And yeah, take your time far away from charts, red and green candles. Take time for your family, for your beloved ones, for yourself, for your health, for your fitness, whatever there is. Take a book, but no trading. No trading. Calm your minds and everything will be fine. Have courage and be kind, and may the force of the rule